Gosh darn it, I forgot my lunch.
Well, I didn't, because with the Shahonka Fridge 3000, you can heat things up and cool things down. This prototype is an enlargement model, so the original can fit in your backpack. And this AC unit can last 24 hours with 2 hours of charging. And you can get these soon for a price around $1,000, depending which retailer you go to. I really like this. I can take my lunch anywhere. It fits in my backpack. Well, not this model, the actual model. It keeps things cold and also warm. I also like it because it's small, portable, and light. It needs almost zero charging for the 24-hour span. I plug it in every night, and it works good as new each day.
What I have to say about the Shahonka fridge, Shahonka, is that it's truly a wonderful invention. This model is enlarging. It is obviously smaller than this, and it's a little AC unit. It's like a mini oven, basically, slash refrigerator. You can cool it down to about 20 Fahrenheit and heat it up to around 500 Fahrenheit. So you can put like a frozen pizza in there, or just like a slice because it's really small. And it's really great because multiple times, like before this invention, I would forget my lunch when I was going to class, but because I didn't have time to make a sandwich in the morning. But overnight, I'll just put something in here and it'll keep it cold or warm it up.
I think this is so cool because it's cold and it's hot. And I forget my lunch a lot. And I can just put it in my backpack. I can put pizza in here, it heats up. I can put ice in here, it cools down. You never know.
Hi, I really love this and I would rate it 5 stars because I can fit it into my backpack and I never ever forget lunch ever again. And guess what? I can just leave it there. I can put even a little seal over it so it doesn't spread everywhere. Bam! It's so good! I can even heat up all the things I want and cool them all down. Bam! Bam!